Guys, my name is Dave. Recently, I applied for Discover Card and I was approved on November 2018. Today, I'm gonna unbox it and then show it to you and you know see how it looks like. So let's get started. I'm gonna unbox it. So this is how it looks like. It's beautiful, you know. So let's unbox it. So I have a credit limit of 5,000 and the cash advance for $2,500. Uh, and this is how it looks like. Uh, blue Discovery card. So I have a miles reward. Uh, so let's talk about. They approved me because I have a FICO score about for 810 FICO score from Experian. It is very good. Okay, so I have an interest rate of 19.99 and 0% interest for up to 14 months, which expires on February of 2020. So, um, I'm not worried about it, but if I have any balance and I could not pay before the due date, then I don't have to worry about paying interest because that's the bonus that I was given by Discover Card. My cash advance interest rate is 26.99, which I normally don't take it out. Um, but let's say, for example, after 14 months, if you don't pay off your balance, you will have to pay interest rate for 19.99. But if you pay off before the due date, the statement balance before the due date, then you don't have to pay any interest rate. All right. So these are all the basic rights that's given to you. The transaction fees, if you do late payments, then it's going to be $37. Return payment, $37. So you just need to put that on your calendar and then set up a due date amount and then due date dates so that you don't forget to pay your balance, your minimum payments. These are all the basic rights that you give up and then you know you don't give up, right? For example, it's about sharing your information, and then if you can, it's telling you if you can limit that sharing or not. So it's not a big deal. So I have this paper that says that I will earn 1.5 miles for each dollar you spend on all purchase. So it is very good for me because I like to fly all the times. So one of the reasons that I signed up for Discover Card is because there is no annual fee, no over limit fee, no foreign transaction fee. I love this. Every time you go fly outside, the bank card they always charge you 2.5 or 3.5 interest. I mean the fee, and I don't like that. It also says no increase to your APR for paying late and going over your credit limit. But I would say always pay on time. One late payment is going to give you bad impact for up to 3 years. So that's not good. All right. So the next good thing about Discover card is that you can freeze your account if you think you lose or somebody stole your card. Then you can freeze it right away. You don't even have to call the customer service. All right. So these are the basic agreement that you have to follow. Uh, Nothing important here, but it is very important. I would recommend you read it. Uh, you know, just the agreement that you when you signed up with Discover. These are the basic agreement. All right. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer all the questions that you have. And also please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The more like you give me, it will benefit me. All right. So if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and good luck.